Hello, penny pinchers. My name is Dehan, and welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be talking about three penny stocks that are currently trading under $1 for the rest of March 2021, and with one of them actually being up very, high in the past few months. So just in 2021, this stock was trading down here at 35 cents per share, went up here to highs of about 300% gains in mid-February. Obviously, it pulled back down, and we're still currently at around 140% gains for 2021. Now, those are some massive gains. To give you an example, if you had invested $1,000 and sold up here at the top, you would have had $3,000, and if you sold down here at the current levels, you would still have about 1,400 profit. So you would have profited a decent amount right there. If you don't want to miss out on gains like this on Advaxis, go ahead and sit back, relax, and smash that like button. Let's get into the countdown, guys. The number one penny stock on this list is going to be Acasti Pharma Inc. We've talked about this one many times. So Acasti shares opened for trading at around 33 cents on January 4th and are now sitting steadily above 65 cents, which gives it about 100% upside already. Now, one of the core initiatives of the company has centered around the strategic review of the business by Oppenheimer & Co. Less than favorable data reported back in August 2020 sounded the alarm for the company to focus on strategic alternatives to rebound shareholder value. In particular, the company's Capri drug failed to meet its primary endpoint of statistical significance to reduce triglycerides in patients with severe hypertriglyceridemia. The company went as far as to say it wouldn't even explore additional clinical trials for Capri. Now, with a big question mark, speculation ended by driving momentum in the ACST stock for the time being. Now, the latest initiative have Acasti focusing on raising cash. The added flexibility of having liquidity in hand could aid in its strategic review process. The biggest thing to keep in mind without a clearly outlined path, ACST stock has been a very volatile penny stock to watch this year, so let's see what it is going to do for the rest of 2021. Ticker symbol ACST, Acasti Pharma. This one was up about 4% today at the close, currently trading at around 71 cents per share. If we take a look right here, actually this stock has been doing, pretty decent throughout 2020 and then going into this year as well. So in the past year, as you can see, the stock was up a little bit, pulled back down right here when I had that bad news, all the way to about 20 cents. Now, if you got in at that 20 cents area, obviously, you would have made great profits. That was a great dip buying opportunity. And that's actually a big thing to watch with pharma stocks. If there's a pharma stock and it has, bad news come out, if it has other things in the pipeline or, there's a good future ahead of it, it's a good dip buying opportunity because it could potentially rise on back up throughout the year and years to come. So it's always a great one in most situations. So it's a good dip buying opportunity. So this one right here, as you can see, end of January or beginning of January, trading around the 25 cents area, 30 cents area. We went up there to highs, like we said, to about $1.22. Pulled back down with the market to lows of about right here. We were trading around 48 cents, 50 cents. So that was a pretty low right there, bounced off of it, hit highs here of about 81 cents. So that's about a 30 cents gain right there, which is pretty decent in my opinion. About a 50% plus gain in a matter of a few weeks. Now, volume, we're trading, high volume between 10 and 30 million shares every single day. So the volume is hot, which is another good sign to see. If we can continue to build up some more momentum, get that volume even higher, close to 50, 100 million shares traded, that would be nice to pick this one back up. Now, it looks like we're here at this consolidation support area from the past that we had between the 60 and 70 cents area or 60 and 80 cents area. So hopefully we consolidate right here, continue to move on higher, and then bounce on through. If we can break through the all-time highs right here that we have on 52-week highs for $1.25, we can continue to move further. So on Acasti Pharma, I'm going to give this one a price target of $1.50 for the rest of 2021. Let's see what happens. And you guys let me know in the comments below what you guys think about Acasti Pharma as well. Now, as always, guys, thank you so much for all the support on the channel. Go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in the first 24 hours of this video being up. Subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. If you guys want to sign up for Weibo and get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $1,800, links are going to be in the description. Get your 2 free stocks. Leave a comment below what penny stocks you're watching right now, and let's get into the rest of the countdown. The second biotech company trading under $1 is going to be Advaxis Inc., which is the one we talked about at the beginning of the video. So this one right here, the company reported its Q1 results ending January 31st, 2021 last week. Now, among several highlights was its ability to streamline options into the sense that it managed to decrease its EPS loss from 15 cents to 5 cents year over year. Now, furthermore, sales came in at around 1.61 million compared to just 3,000 the year previous. That is an insane growth right there. Wow, on those sales. from $3,000 to $1.61 million. Huge jump right there. That is a very positive thing. So like most early stage biotech companies, the bigger focus was on Advaxis pipeline. In a portion of its update, Advaxis highlighted the data presented on its ADXS-503 phase 1-2 trial demonstrated a strong response. Now, according to the company, ADXS-502 resulted in a disease control rate of 67% and an overall response rate of 17% in the first 6 evaluable patients with immediate prior progression on Keytruda. Now, something else revealed was that the company would present at the upcoming American Association for Cancer Research meeting. The president and chief executive officer of Advaxis explained that based on our encouraging data, we are prioritizing the ongoing and recently expanded ADXS-503 trial in diverse treatment settings for NSCLC and will remain focused on continued clinical execution. We look forward to our presentation at AACR, which will further expand upon the previously reported on-mechanism innate and adaptive immune stimulation, which we believe are driving meaningful and durable clinical benefits for patients treated with the ADXS-503. Ticker symbol ADXS, like we said. This one was pretty flat today, actually. Didn't really move up or down. Currently trading at around 84 cents per share. Now, if we take a look at this chart for this stock, it's doing pretty decent. Midterm, they have it on bullish. Long-term, they have it on bullish. So this stock has been on a runner. Like we said, it's been up a few 100% throughout 2021. Down here at the end of the year, it was trading at around 34 cents. Went all the way to highs of about up here at about $1.57. So huge gains right there. As you can see, volume definitely started to pick up in the end of December, beginning of January and February. Volume was huge. We had days here, 30 million shares, 10 million shares, another 10, 38 million, 37, and then even highs here of 51 million shares, which was actually the highest we've had so far in 2021. And then obviously volume has been tapering off as we went throughout the end of February and beginning of March. A lot of interest in the penny stocks has actually, trickled down in the past few months. It was very hot at the beginning of the year, and now it's a little bit less and less volume, as you can see. And that's the same pattern with all penny stocks. I can tell you that right now. As you can see, the interest is falling down with the penny stocks right now, but I can guarantee you it's going to become hot once again. Right now, crypto and the NFT sector is very hot, so a lot of eyes are focused on those. Just like we had the run with the meme stocks, GameStop, AMC, same thing happens with, these penny stocks. They go in waves. People get interested in them, then they get, uninterested, and then they repeat. So the pattern is going to repeat, give it a few months, and we'll get a lot more interest again. It hit lows down here about 57 cents. That was a great dip buying opportunity, obviously, if you're a long-term looker into these ones on your watch list. Definitely bounced off of that back all the way up here to highs of about 94 cents. So from, down here lows from about, 57 cents to 94, 95 cents. That's a nice jump right there just in a matter of a week or two. So definitely another one to watch on your list. Now with this one, we're going to give it a price target of $1.75 for the rest of 2021. So we have a great outlook right there, about 100% potential to see in the rest of 2021. Let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think about Advaxis? And last but not least, the last stock trading under $1 is going to be Synthetic Biologics Inc. Now, the interesting part about the penny stock under $1 is that even analysts pay attention. So Maxim Group upgraded Synthetic Biologics this month. The firm boosted its hold rating to a buy. Maxim also issued a price target of $2.50. Considering that SYN stock is trading at around 77 cents right now, that puts a forecast of more than 240% currently. Now, whether or not SYN will end up reaching that market depends heavily on how it executes its business, obviously. Now, the name of the game for Synthetic is advancing its treatment pipeline. Our particular focus is the company's SYN-004. It's set to begin dosing patients in the first antibiotic cohorts of a phase 1B-2A trial this quarter. Actually, top-line data is expected by the end of this year, so SYN-004 is being developed for allogeneic hematopoietic cell transplant recipients. Now, obviously, this isn't the only treatment in the pipeline with the potential near-term catalyst. Synthetic anticipates the SYN-020 phase 1 single ascending dose study beginning next quarter with the top-line data in Q3. There's also a second phase 1 multiple ascending dose study of SYN-020 anticipated for the third quarter. SYN-020 is being studied for the prevention of entropy secondary to radiation therapy for pelvic cancers. With numerous potential catalysts ahead, will SYN be on your list of penny stocks to watch right now? So guys, ticker symbol SYN, this one was down about 4.7% today. currently trading at around 76 cents per share. As we can see with this one, once again, at the end of the year in 2020, trading at 37 cents, went up here to highs of about $1.22. So nice little gain right there actually in a few months that we had. Volume was actually pretty low on this one. I mean, we traded some days 5 million shares, other days 30 million shares. So big fluctuation in the volume. Obviously, once again, as the market sold off, came down here and hit lows of 46 cents. So from that 46 cents area, we went to highs of 99 cents. That's over 100% gain in a matter of a week, week and a half. So you could have, made 100% gain in about a week or two if you bought that dip right there, which is a great dip buying opportunity. We saw volume right here, 115 million shares traded on March 12th, 2021. Huge volume. That was a huge day right there. Right now, like we said, we're trading, between 5 and 30 million shares depending on the day. We're looking for more consolidation here. This is a previous resistance area and a consolidation support area here in 2021 actually. So definitely looking to see if it can consolidate right here, get some more momentum, get some more catalysts. As we said, we have many things in the pipeline for 2021. So there's multiple events that could potentially rise this one up. Now, obviously, if we have bad news, it could pull back down. But obviously, if we have some successful news, it could definitely boost this one higher. So with SYN, we're going to give this one a price target of $2 per share for 2021, giving it over 100% potential for the rest of the year. I think it could definitely hit even higher than that, maybe even $2.50 if we have some more successful data. So we're going to have to watch the data that comes out in the Q3, Q4 time period and see what happens at the end of 2021. So guys, let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think about these 3 biotech penny stocks that are trading under $1 right now? If you guys enjoy this type of content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's get 100 plus likes on this video in the first 24 hours. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, obviously. If you guys want to sign up for Weibo, get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $1,800. Links are going to be in the description for that. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.